Good morning, friends. Here we will start the .NET training session. Today, this is the first session of .NET, the theoretical part. So, what is .NET? So, .NET is a free cross platform, and it's what open source developer platform, which allows you to build variety of softwares. Yeah, or applications from web and mobile to desktop application. Means we can develop Windows based platform software, we can develop web based platform software, and it provides tools, libraries, and APIs. APIs means in simple, it's what application programming interface for building robust and secure applications across different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So, friends, .NET is one type of framework which contains multiple languages like C Sharp, like VB.NET WinForms, and ASP.NET with C Sharp or VB.NET. So, with the help of these technologies, we can develop secure applications, desktop applications, mobile based applications, Windows based applications, and web based applications around like in different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Yeah. So, what are the benefits? Benefit is what? First, we have what you can say development platform. We get what development platform. Then, second, we get what cross platform support. Then, we get open source options, and it is having multiple languages. Framework contains multiple languages, so you will get a choice where to develop, which language you can select, and on the basis of that, you can form Windows and web-based application. Yeah. So development platform. Now in development platform, so .NET provides foundation. It provides what foundation for developers It provides what foundation for whom developers to create various to create what various types of software. Then second we have cross platform support. So it allow right to build applications. It allows to build that applications that can run on different operating system. It can be Windows, it can be Linux operating system, or it can be what Mac OS. So these are the different types of operating system we use to form very systematically web applications, Windows applications. Then it's an open source. What's the meaning of open source? So open source means what? The code of it is publicly available. You do not need to go for any license version. Meaning its code is publicly available and can be modified. So someone has developed a project and it is declared that it is openly available for all. So now we get an opportunity that as per our requirement, we make some changes in the code itself to rebuild or to refunction the existing software. And we can contribute to whom? Community. That is the concept of open source. Again, I'll repeat that code, that program is already available, the software is available, and in that the code is also available, which is publicly distributed. And in that, as per our requirement or a community requirement, we make some changes and then redistribute. So that is open source. And then it is having multiple languages. .NET is having multiple languages like C Sharp, and we have VB.NET and ASP.NET, C Sharp, and VB.NET. Yeah. So these are the different types of languages. Now, if I say that suppose someone is Java developer, right? So he or she can prefer Java, C Sharp. Understood? And suppose if we VB developer, then she can be VB.NET. So basically, it's a revolution for all those developers who were using the other technologies. They can migrate to what .NET for fast secured web applications, and Windows-based applications. So these are the different types of languages. So if I say something about C Sharp and VB.NET, they are object-oriented programming languages, right? Having the encapsulation. Second is abstraction. Third is polymorphism. Fourth is so these are the features of object-oriented programming and having a class and objects. So encapsulation means to hide data, to provide security, to avoid unauthorized access data. Means to hide data. So security is given in encapsulation so that no one can easily access the data. And basically the purpose of using encapsulation approach is to provide security. So it is very, very secure. Second is abstraction. Abstraction means to disclose only relevant information and to hide irrelevant information. Means whatever the informations are important for us, that only information we will get. Other irrelevant information which is not important to us, it won't. Then we have what polymorphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms, right? That is many behavior. So one object behaves differently in different situations. One objects behave different in different situations. For example, if I say that area is the formula which is applied for different types of shapes. So we can use area for rectangle, same area we use for circle, etc. So one method behaves differently in different situations is known as polymorphism. Then we have inheritance. Inheritance means child class or subclass inherits properties and action of superclass or base class. That is, new version inherits old version so that development time is saved. What is class? Class means templates, or you can say blueprint. Basically, it's a category. It is one type of category, right? Under which its similar objects falls. Like suppose, for example, that we have vehicle. So vehicle is class. Yeah. So it is having what model number, engine, then brakes, etc. are the, you can say, parts of vehicle class. What is object? Object means instance of class. Vehicle, for example, car, bus,